I just wanted to say hi to all you fellow Alkaline Reset cleansers, and also a big thank you to Ross. I did the Reset cleanse last year, and I'm just about to do it again actually because I've been a bit naughty, so I feel it's time for another cleanse. But I did it really because I have gluten and dairy intolerances, and I got really sick several years ago, and I needed to find just the right sort of lifestyle change for myself. And I don't know how I found Ross, probably just Googling or something, but the diet for me was it was perfect. I was really sluggish, tired, headaches, not sleeping very well, aches and pains here and there, which of course all disappeared within probably about 3 weeks of having done the cleanse, and then just adopting an alkaline lifestyle, which has been amazing. So it's been great, and I just think anybody who's thinking about doing this, just go ahead, you know, make a start and ease yourself into it. It doesn't have to be too rigid, I don't think, and I think it becomes so because we feel so good. So yeah, thanks again, Ross. Hope this reaches you.